Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the latest iOS 13.5 and the latest 12.4.7 iOS released by the Apple. So today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak the latest iOS 13.5 on Windows machine with the help of Checkra1n. So 2 days back, Apple released latest iOS 13.5 for all and iOS 12.4.7 for older devices like 5S, iPhone 6, 6 Plus and other iPad models that are running on 12.4.4, 12.4.5 and 12.4.6. so they have also an update for 12.4.7. and the other iPhone 6 Plus and the up models got the latest iOS 13.5 version, and the latest iPad model also got the latest iPad 13.5 iOS version. So as we can see, the latest release note for iOS 13.5 and the iPadOS 13.5, so it's an official website. You can check out there for more information regarding this update. So I will show some of the key points for this update. So this new update fixed some Face ID passcode issues and the other notification bugs and the FaceTime and the many more. You can check out this website for the detailed security patches and the other updates also, but I'm not recommending you to update the latest iOS 13.5. And this is the Apple security update list. It has the iTunes update, iOS 13.5 update for the latest iPhones, and the older iPhones it has 12.4.7 update. You can check out the whole list and the other iPad iWatchOS versions also. And the next main question is how we can jailbreak the latest iOS 13.5 with Checkra1n. As we can see, it has the still on 0.10.1 beta version, that are the previous version. It has no update, but we can use this 0.10.1 version to jailbreak iOS 13.5 latest. So as you can see, these are the iPhone models that are supported by Checkra1n jailbreak. It's iPhone 5S to iPhone X. All these models are supported by the 0.10.1 version. You can jailbreak it with the latest iOS 12.4.7 and the 13.5. so you can jailbreak both the iOS version. The old iOS version 12.4.4 is still saying for the old devices like 5S, iPad 2 mini models and the iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus. So I'm recommending you to don't update to the latest 12.4.7. so be on 12.4.4, that will be more beneficial for you. And for the latest iOS version, it's still saying 13.4.1, so it will unsign by some time, so be on 13.4.1. So as you can see, 13.5, the latest iOS version, is available for all the latest iPad and iPhone models, and the 13.4.1 is still saying, so be on 13.4.1. it's my personal suggestion because there are some issue in the 13.5. and for the older device like iPad 2 models and the iPad Air models and all the devices that are supported Checkra1n jailbreak, you can be on 12.4.4. don't update to latest iOS 12.4.7 or 12.4.6 because the old iOS 12.4.4 is still saying, so it's having a last chance to be on 12.4. or update to the 12.4.4. so be on 12.4.4, it's a better for you. So now let's come to the jailbreak section. So you will get this file, link in the description. You can download from there. First you have to extract it, and after that you will see the folder. Just open it. So let me first extract it. So as you can see, we got this folder. Just open it, and after that you will see the one folder again. Just open it again and you will get the two readme files. So it's the same, you can read the files, one in the text format, another in the word format. So before starting the process, go through this all the points. It's very important. You have to use the Rufus software only for making bootable. Balena will not work, and you have to connect it to internet while making the pendrive bootable. So you will get the folder inside and you will get 3 files. So use the Rufus software. With that you will get the Rufus files folder also. So make sure you will use this version only. So just double click on it and make the pendrive bootable. You all know that how you can make the bootable, so I will not take too much time in that. Just make the pendrive bootable, and after that you will restart your PC and all the normal process will go on to jailbreak your device. So it supports the 13.5 latest iOS version. You can easily jailbreak. So this is how you can jailbreak the latest iOS 13.5 and the 12.4.7. You can also use macOS and other method available like Boottrain, CheckNext, Rain USB to jailbreak your iPhone or iPad. And one more great news that the Uncover is also going to release soon with the latest 5.0 version of Uncover jailbreak that support all the iPhone models that have signed OS. That means you can use above X iPhone models also like 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR and the other models that Checkra doesn't support. So stay tuned for that. I will make a proper dedicated video once it release. So this is all for today. You can also use the Celio package manager on the Checkra devices. I made a proper video on that. If you want to see, you can check out that video also. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon for more update. If you are facing any issue, you can comment down below. I love to answer all the comments. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.